Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's Santos, Edgar, and Pietito. Yeah, we're heading out to check up on one of the trucks that we're building, customizing, and we're gonna show you guys in a little bit what we're gonna be doing to this truck. Pretty much we're building, or we're customizing a 2019 Chevy Silverado RST crew cab, and we're going to be showing you in a minute what we've done to it so far, and we're going to talk about what we're going to be doing to it next. Pretty much it's going to be a really nice build. We're going to do a complete transformation on it, and hope you all like it. So let's head out. Ahora sí, let's go, guys. Vamos a enseñarles cuando estamos armando la troquita. Pues, ¿qué le estamos haciendo aquí?
Mira un desarmador.
Estamos poniendo suspensión, ¿verdad? Puede echarle a la caja. So, guys, this is IHC suspensions. This is what they call Ines suspensions. And here we have our truck. Vamos a enseñarle la camioneta. Camarada, Noe. ¿Por dónde paso? ¿Por aquí?
Sí, por aquí.
Mira, estaba tirado este.
Estaba tirado ya.
Me ponchó los llantos.
Nada.
¿Es este, verdad?
Sí.
Edgar, el que nos hace los videos, y es el cuñado, también se llama No, igual que tú. So, pretty much what we wanted to show them is like the process of the truck, what's been done to it, pretty much. So this is going to be a 4.6, right?
Yeah, this is going to be a 4.6. That's what they're working on as far as with the control arms and the back too, doing the CMOS. That's what they're, right now what they're working on is a template. So they're trying to provide a template for the customers, that way they're able to, hey, when it's on the vehicle, if you haven't done one or you're trying to mock it up,
Okay.
just mock it up right there. That way the holes line up and the notch and everything. So that way when they put the actual product, it goes in there smoothly. We already did the other side. You want to take a look?
See.
There's just minor tweaks that we have to do to it so we can get it, on point.
Yeah.
But
Oh yeah, this is the one we saw on your what was it, Instagram story or something?
Yeah, we put it out on mainly all social media platforms.
Yeah. So this is what it's going to look like on the other side, pretty much.
On the other side, yeah.
So it's got the 4.6 drop that requires a C-notch, pretty much. Because we previously did a 3.5 on the other one with the helper bags. That's the first one we did on the 19s.
That's the one that they have out right now that's real popular. And then this one, since a lot of people ask for it, we're gonna go ahead and start designing and building it.
Yeah, check it out. We already uploaded that. Pretty much we got a new kit for the ones that these are the only two that we've done so far. The 19 and up models. We did a red with a body kit, but this one already came with a drop kit. With this one we bought it up in Houston. Oh, okay. Somebody traded it in at a new car store. And then this one, that's the first one we did with the helper bags. And that's what we did to them. That's the final stage. And as you can see, we did a full body kit on trucks. And honestly, when we built these two, we built them one at a time. And the white one was the first one. Man, that thing got so much attention. It was crazy.
Yeah, they look real nice with some wheels and tires. Yeah, and
it went viral on social media. ¿Cuántos tienen TikTok ahorita? ¿Ese?
1 millón.
Yeah. It reached 1 million views like right away. Y La Roja también. But people have been requesting the new body styles built already. The other one, the red one, we sold it to Georgia. The white one stayed down here in the valley. And believe it or not, when people go and shop, at our place, they want us to build another one. But we hadn't come across another new body style that we actually like. Because the RST already comes with the leather, already comes color match on the handles, mirrors, front bumper, rear bumper, and grille. And it saves you time when it comes to doing the color match on it. And honestly, they look better. And they come with fog lights too. Otherwise, you have to do all that work, extra work, besides doing this. But
Yeah, you save on.
Yeah.
The time is
and they look better.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look better. But on this one, we're also planning on doing wheels, and we're still.
Van a hacer both.
Es más, ni las hemos ordenado. Yeah, we're thinking about doing Boston's 24 by 10. And I know those are pricey, but something like this deserves something. I mean, otherwise we can go with replicas, but we just want something that stands out.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, when somebody wants something like this, they told us, hey, I'll fly in, or I'll drive down. I just want something to yes.
Yeah. No, yeah, that's
You know
where
what?
that's where it's at.
Al de Georgia, ¿verdad? Que le vendimos, el cliente nos dijo, yo compré una 2022. Dice, pero cuando la iba a empezar a armar, me agüité, dice, porque nadie tenía rines, nadie tenía suspensiones, nadie tenía partes, nadie tenía body kits. There was nothing in stock. So pretty much when he came across our red Silverado, the RST one, it was already pretty much turnkey. He drove down, or came, se vino manejando, se vino en avión, no sé, but he drove it back. Oh no, actually we shipped.
se la llevó.
No,
I
we
saw
shipped
one too with the lady from San Antonio. That one. I saw that one. I was like, holy shit! Like,
So you saw it
all
too.
the comments, yeah.
And then a lady made a TikTok on it, reading the reviews, the comments.
Yeah.
And it went back again, but we had to delete it.
Oh,
we had
really?
we had to take it down because it was getting out of control. So when do you think this thing could be ready?
This one we're gonna start finishing it up on tomorrow.
Okay.
And it already has the arms. You can see we put the open nose arms up in the front. So that's already done. The only thing we gotta check is to make sure that the alignment is gonna be on point. So as soon as we finish with the C-notch, we'll bring it down. We'll see. We already measured it, so we know where it's at, and then we gotta make sure it drops what it's advertised.
Yeah.
And then go get it aligned and make sure that everything aligns. So once all that's on point, just a road test, make sure nothing hits or anything like that, nothing's rubbing drive shaft or anything in the back, and then yeah, we'll be good to go.
So pretty much the 3.5s were pretty much already tested and
Yeah,
you
those
know,
were
ya están todas caladas.
those already tested, and that was the whole point with the helper bags, was because a lot of people, because you gotta when they came out in 1920 or 2122 right now, that they don't want to cut into a brand new truck, or and it voids the warranty, and then so they don't want to put a notch into it, so that's why they designed the helper bags. That way you don't have to notch it. You have the stats you want, and then you can air it up if you're gonna tow or do anything, or even
And
if you
it doesn't
bottom
bottom
out.
out.
Yeah, even if you bottom out, because you can air it up and play with the air, and then you know when it bottoms out, when it doesn't, and you can play with it as far as that, and you're able to have that lower stance on it.
Well, ¿te acuerdas cuando la armamos la de las helper bags, la blanca?
Que ya venía así. No.
Sí.
Ah, sí.
Sí, le pusimos el 3.5 y traía las bolsas.
Se manejaba bien padre, ¿no?
Llevamos una traila pegada y nos llevamos la camioneta de carreras al traque con esa blanca.
Hombre, se manejaba como si nada.
Parejita. Hace cuenta que no traía traila.
Yeah, that's nice. It's good to know.
Por eso nos gustó el 3.5.
Yeah, they did work.
Y luego la roja traía el 4.6 ya, pero ese ya lo traía
Sí,
así.
la roja esa ya venía de Houston. Ay,
Pero es
sí,
que no
la
le
verdad
ponen,
checamos.
no le ponen marca a ustedes a esto.
On the control arms, no, they're silver vein, and nobody really uses silver vein. The only ones that used to use it was DJM, but they went to, I believe it's black or something like that.
So this is how you know it's an IHC
Yeah.
suspension kit.
There's still some of the old kits, like that used to be the old kit over there. Some guy drove down from, I forgot where he drove down from, but he wanted us to install it, and he had already bought the kit, but that was an old version, old version.
Outdated.
Yeah, and that's how they used to come. We didn't even powder coat them; they used to just paint them.
Así nomás.
So that's how far we've come, and then people will still buy them. Yeah, and that guy still had that kit, and I'm, but we're gonna have to hook you up with the like you said, that's the old version. Yeah. So we hooked them up with and this is how we know it's the silver vein, and then the back parts will have a spade on them.
Ya imagino chavos que me lo dieron en middle school. Venga.
No, yeah, but this will be the silver vein, the powder coat. That's how we can tell, and then in the back parts will have a spade on them. And but you can tell mostly by the quality too on the cut, because we cut with the fiber laser. A lot of other people, yeah, a fiber laser is more accurate. It's a laser. It's gonna be a lot more accurate than
Because by itself,
it's just a plasma, huh?
because by itself,
Well, it cuts by itself, and also just your cuts come out so much cleaner.
smooth.
Like, I don't have two examples to get to show you.
Yeah.
Because all the plates that we have, it's all fiber laser since we did it. So because we used to cut with the plasma, which was maybe back in like, I don't know, I want to tell you maybe like 1920 before we got the laser, and you could actually tell the difference between a laser and an actual plasma cutter. I mean, they're both gonna be plasma, but the laser's a lot more accurate. Like you can tell your holes are just on point.
Really?
Yeah, and the laser, instead of having a perfect circle, it's gonna look a little bit more oval. So you can just tell by the quality.
So it just keeps getting better and better.
Yeah, you can just tell even with like you'll get a DJM or you'll get like a McGoy's or you'll get Boss, and you compare the parts and you can tell which one's a fiber laser and which one's done with the plasma. So
And you guys are still backed up right now?
yeah, dude, it looks like we're working on getting maybe a second one, because that's, I don't know if you saw that way or if you want to come take a look.
See? You guys are building a bigger warehouse pretty much?
Yeah. So this will be the shipping and handling or shipping and receiving, and then back there will be right now everybody's just feeding because at 5 they leave. These guys will come out of powder coat and then they'll throw it over here to the to where they start assembling, and then here they'll put the ball joints, bushings, and then they'll send it over here so they can start packaging. Over there is welding, and then that's the machining over there, and then the engineers working the back. But yeah,
All these are going out already?
yeah, like all these are either going to be stocked or they're going to be going out. The ones that are going out is right there. They'll line them up here, and then UPS just comes and backs up, and they'll send out as many kits as, or whatever we have available, more likely, because so that's what when you call me and you tell me I need some kits, I tell you 2 weeks out is because you're not the only one ordering from us.
Yeah,
it's worldwide. That we've had all the way from Qatar, the United Arabs, Abu Dhabi, all that, all the way from Australia, from, I don't know, it's somewhere in the Koreas. I don't know if it's South Korea or North Korea, but there was a guy out there too who wanted a kit. Because there's one of the Koreas that you can't go into.
Oh yeah, North Korea.
Yeah, I don't know what Korea it is that you can't, there's no Americans, nobody can go in there without any permission, but there's the other Korea that they're a little bit more, they're liberal.
Wow, well this is nice.
Eso es todo lo que se va a enviar.
This
Todo. Todo va para afuera. ¿Qué hubo? Todo va para envío. Si ustedes pidieron, ya me lo les llega.
Pues aquí es donde we ship everything, right? And estamos preparando paletas for like the customers, los talleres que compran en cantidades grandes. This is where we do all our,
The powder coating.
this is where we do the assembly. Aquí llegan las, you see como no trae ball joint, no trae bushings.
Yeah.
The guys here, they're pressing the ball joints, pressing the bushings. On this end, they're drilling for the graseras, so that way they can grease it up. And from here, yeah, it goes, on this side. This is all the front, todos los racks, this is todo lo de enfrente. On this side over here, this is all the rear stuff, todo detrás. This is the bags that we get from Firestone.
Guys, so pretty much done here. We already came to check up on the truck, the 2019. Pretty much we have a project going on. We showed you a few of the modifications that has been done to the truck already. Mostly suspension. We're gonna be doing some other stuff to it, but we'll be showing you along, as we go. And pretty much we came here to Ines, which is IHC Suspensions here in ¿qué es Palmview?
Palmview, Texas.
Sí, in Palmview. So we show you the truck. We show you what's been done to it. It's a 4.6 suspension kit with C-notch. And when it comes to suspensions, these guys are the ones here in South Texas. They ship nationwide, and they got quality products. So if you guys haven't met Inés, let's go ahead and bring him in. Nos vamos a enseñarlo.
Y de aquí va a seguir el body kit y para que se estén al pendiente para los siguientes videos, ¿no?
Sí, el body kit, wheels, tires, ¿qué más? sound system maybe.
System
Yeah,
y
something like that.
buenos tintes.
Mr. Inés.
¿O quién es él? ¿Los
Sí,
dos?
vénganse. Todos, el cuñado también. So pretty much, like I said, we came to follow up on our truck, and this is pretty much the South Texas warehouse where Inés ships out from. This is their main location. This is their only location. They pretty much, desde el principio, ¿verdad? ¿Cómo se dice? Manufacture pretty much every single part.
Well, we just mostly focus on sport truck, but we're about to enter the market for SUVs.
Okay.
Pero right now, it's when you think of lowering a truck, we pretty much have the kit.
Yeah, so we're here for Chevy, GMC, and Ford. That's pretty much what we customize. So remember, guys, if you're looking for a quality suspension kit, IHC suspensions, which is pretty much Inés. You know, it's pretty much the same shop. They have social media, right? You guys have social media.
Yep. Yeah, we're
Look
on
them up.
Instagram and Facebook.
Look them up. They're here in Mission and Palmview, Texas. And remember, guys, they ship nationwide. So we're gonna put their information on the description, and you know, keep following up on for the next videos. We'll be showing you more updates on the 2019 Silverado that we're fixing up. All right.